Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health but often overlooked: liver health. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, producing essential proteins, and regulating metabolism. When your liver is functioning optimally, it can significantly enhance your overall well-being, boosting your energy levels and even improving your mood. In this video, we'll explore how a simple daily habit, just one glass of a specific drink, can help keep your liver young and vibrant. Imagine the potential for longevity and vitality that comes from nurturing this powerhouse organ. By incorporating this easy routine into your day, you're not just supporting your liver, you're investing in a healthier, more energetic future. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets to liver care and how this one glass can transform your health journey. Get ready to feel revitalized and empowered to take charge of your well-being. The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, performing a multitude of functions that are essential for your overall health. It acts as a detoxifier, filtering out harmful substances from your blood and breaking down toxins. Additionally, the liver plays a key role in metabolism, converting nutrients from the food you eat into energy and storing essential vitamins and minerals for later use. However, when liver health is compromised, it can lead to serious issues such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or cirrhosis, which can significantly impact your longevity and quality of life. These conditions can result in fatigue, jaundice, and even liver failure if not addressed. That's why maintaining liver health is crucial. Preventive care through healthy lifestyle choices, like a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive alcohol, can make a world of difference. By prioritizing your liver health, you're not just enhancing your well-being today, you're also paving the way for a healthier future. Hydration is often underestimated, yet it plays a vital role in maintaining liver function and overall health. Drinking adequate water helps your liver detoxify effectively by flushing out toxins and waste products from your body. When you're well hydrated, your liver can perform its functions more efficiently, leading to improved metabolism and energy levels. But hydration doesn't just stop at plain water. Herbal infusions and fresh juices can also enhance liver health. Ingredients like dandelion root, milk thistle, and lemon juice are known for their liver-supporting properties and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. These natural remedies not only provide hydration, but also deliver essential nutrients that promote liver detoxification. To optimize your liver function, aim to increase your fluid intake throughout the day. Whether it's sipping on water, enjoying herbal teas, or blending fresh juices, making hydration a priority can significantly benefit your liver and overall well-being. So let's raise a glass to better health. To support your liver health, incorporating specific drinks into your daily routine can make a significant difference. One excellent option is lemon water. The vitamin C in lemons aids in detoxification and helps the liver produce enzymes that flush out toxins. Another fantastic choice is beet juice, which is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that promote liver function and reduce inflammation. Green smoothies, packed with leafy greens like spinach or kale, provide essential vitamins and minerals that support overall liver health while also boosting your energy levels. Each of these drinks offers unique nutritional benefits that contribute to a healthier liver. For instance, beets contain betalains, which help protect liver cells, while greens are high in chlorophyll, aiding in detoxification. We encourage you to experiment with different recipes and combinations to find what works best for you. Whether you prefer a refreshing lemon-infused drink or a nutrient-dense green smoothie, making these daily choices can lead to a happier, healthier liver. In addition to incorporating a daily glass for liver health, adopting a balanced lifestyle is essential for optimal liver function. Start by focusing on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all of which support liver detoxification and overall health. Regular exercise is another crucial component. It helps maintain a healthy weight, improves circulation, and enhances metabolic processes, all of which contribute to liver wellness. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or yoga. Additionally, it's important to limit alcohol consumption, as excessive drinking can lead to liver damage over time. Avoiding harmful substances, such as recreational drugs and certain medications that can stress the liver, is also vital for protection. By making these lifestyle choices, you're not just supporting your liver, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements. In today's video, we explored the vital role of hydration in maintaining liver health and also discussed specific drinks that can support this essential organ. From refreshing lemon water to nutrient-rich beet juice and green smoothies, these daily choices can significantly enhance your liver function. We also highlighted the importance of lifestyle changes, such as adopting a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, along with regular exercise. These habits not only promote liver health, but also contribute to your overall vitality and well-being. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate these tips into your daily routine. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Don't forget to explore our related content for more insights on health and wellness. Together, let's embark on a journey toward a healthier liver and a more vibrant life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.